YouTube.
Yo, YouTube. I'm still not going to get the fish. No,
and why not?
Why not? We got cats.
So
People
what?
all think a fish is like calling out the National Guard. They come at you.
They won't though.
Okay, I'm going to get the fish then.
Ooh, look at that butt.
Oh, wait up.
Just joking.
Get back!
There's Taskmaster. Taste me his door.
Come on.
Daisy. More kitties. Let's see, that's Professor Marie. And that's all. Nope. Nope. Think. Which kid is that, honey?
Which one? Oh, that's
Tick-Tick.
Tick-Tick. Ticker.
Wow.
T-R-E-C-T-R.
Fish. 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 Fish.
Smells like fish.
Fish. And fire! Let's come over here. Let's come over here and see what the fire's doing.
That's really licking fire right there. Watch this.
Woo!
Yeah.
Forgot something.
What have I got?
The seasoning.
Seasoning. Back up in here.
We love you too.
Yeah, we love you. No, get back in here.
Go, honey.
Okay.
What are you doing, honey? You're on camera. Hello. Brat. Billy wants to be a brat today.
Alright, we're throwing out the meat right now because it was frozen. Here comes the kitty.
Kitty. Hi, honey. Hey, baby. Yeah.
Surprisingly, Helena's channel is getting, let me see, she's already got, like, 9 videos. This will make a 10th video.
Nope, 10.
That's what I said, 10th video.
I got 10 videos already.
Already? Oh, then there's 11 videos. Mine, on the other hand, is going on to the 200 mark. So, we see what happens to the special.
Special! Kitty! You're on camera! You're on camera, girl! Oh, boy. Camera! Meow! Got a nice pretty eyes. Nice pretty eyes. Hey! Tess! You little monster. Cut.
Welcome back, YouTube, and we had to cut for a second because our battery's almost running low, so we had to cut for a second. Right now, Helena's...
There's more batteries.
And there's some more batteries I'm going to have to grab. Always when you do videos with camcorders and stuff like that, always change your batteries because running out time can happen. Now here we are with grilling some fish. Hey, watch it, girl. Bring that fish back over that way. That's right. That's right. Bring that fish over that way. Now we're going to back up a little bit so you can see how we're doing this. Wait till one side starts browning, okay? Then you put on the seasoning. Seasoning that we're going to do today is something that y'all never tried yet. Bacon ranch dressing as one of the ingredients.
Okay. Give me some bread.
No bread right now. Salt.
But I wanted was the onions and the other stuff too.
Oh, you want onions? Okay, I have to get onions and pepper. Alright, so I'm giving you the giving it to the camcorder, so it transfers over to me. And I'm going to go up there and get the onion, spices, and stuff like that.
This is a boring street and it sucks being here.
Not during the summertime it doesn't. During the summertime this place is like Drug City. Serious. You gotta watch out.
Back up there, Kate. No, leave the door open, baby. And I'm going to be helping him with his stuff video. Ain't that right, honey?
I forgot 2 other ingredients that we usually do this. This is Italian seasoning. It's good on fish. You really do it
Did
right.
you forget the paprika too?
Paprika. No paprika. We got onions, we got salt and pepper, and we got...
Alright. Here, you can take this video camera.
Okay. Now, as you see, now the video is on to me. I'm kind of embarrassed here. This is supposed to be Helena's channel anyway, so...
It is.
Oh, it is? No, that's right. I'm just holding it. Yeah. That's our cellar. We can't go down there. Not allowed to.
Why is that people go?
It shouldn't. Only the landlord is supposed to go in there. Yeah, like I said, this is... You want to see where the place I did the stealth video at? One of the places? Oh, going way over here. Believe it or not, on the first stealth part, when you see the puff of smoke, or the baby powder, this is one of the areas. Right at this car. Y'all couldn't see me, because I blended into the night. The second area that we filmed the part at, is right there. It's right in front of you. This is the area that we did. Now I'm going to take you up the road a little bit. Of course, it rained earlier today, or last night. I'm going up the road. Neighbors' trucks. Right here. And here we go. We're going to zoom in upstairs. We're going to zoom in. See? That's our street. One of our streets. And then we're going to come up at this one. Zoom up this way. I'm going to back it up a little bit. There you go. It's a one-way street anyway. So you see this car right here is zooming by. Now, it's a one-way street. Whoa, that's too much. Let me back that up. Yeah. There you go. And that's our street. During the summertime, it's drug haven up here. Drug dealers everywhere. It's pretty messed up. You have to live in an area that's drug infested. And back on Helena. We're going to give you a bird's eye view now. There we go. Bird's eye view of the roasting. It's still lit, babe. It's still lit. Because you can put your hands right on there. Because you can feel how hot it is.
You put coins in his throat.
Not what I'm hearing. Can you hear this? Okay, she's going to season it, and I'm going to back up and let you season it. BAM! There you go. That's how you cook. That's how Emerald cooks. BAM! Yeah, that's how Emerald cooks in New York. BAM! She did a good job with that BAM. Here she goes again. BAM! BAM! She's cooking that sucker real good.